Hi, it's Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
And I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team. And welcome to Moments of Joy, our weekly demo series where we give you the best tips and tricks to get the most out of Travel Joy.
Caitlin, what's going on in your world this week?
Well, Matt, I am very excited because I'm getting ready to actually move in the next few weeks. So, a new location, new place. But also, I got to see the Odyssey this week, which I really enjoyed. Have you seen it yet?
I have seen it. I've seen it on a Dolby screen, not yet the IMAX screen. We've got one in New York City. I have two separate apps on my phone that send me alerts when seats open up because like I'm sure the rest of the nation, I am desperate to see it in IMAX, but it's all sold out. So fingers crossed we will get a seat.
You will get a seat. I know it. I can feel it. So, what are we talking about this week, Matt?
We've had so many new enhancements and improvements lately on the AI side with Magic Email and all things related to Copilot, but today I want to get us back down to the basics, some of the very fundamental tools we have on TravelJoy to make travel planning easier. So today I thought it would be good if we can show advisors one of our group trip management features.
That's right, Matt. Today we are talking about group forms. If you weren't aware, you can use group forms for two separate purposes. The first is to send forms out to travelers that are already listed within your group. The second is to create a group registration form. This will create a unique link that you can share with your clients so that they can fill out the form information, submit it, and then create a trip within the group automatically.
Sounds good. Can you show us how it works?
To get started, find the group you'd like to create a form within. Once that group is open, you'll head to the blue Create button, and you'll find the ability to create a group form towards the middle of this list. From here, you'll select which form you'd like to share with your clients. In this case, I'll be using a group booking registration form. You can even choose if you'd like to send a confirmation email after your clients have submitted their form using an email template. Once you've made your selections, head up to the blue Next button, and you'll be given the option to save and review the email or save and publish. If you choose to save and review the email, this will allow you to send out the form to any travelers that are listed in the group currently. You can customize the message, even change that email template if you need to at the bottom of the screen, and then you can choose to send to all trips within your group or send individually. Now, if you're wanting to use this form as a registration form where you can share that unique URL with potential clients, and once they complete the form, it creates a trip for you in the group, you'll use the second option to save and publish. You'll receive that unique link that you can then share with your clients, and that form page will look a little like this. Once your clients submit this form, you'll see a trip created for them automatically within your group.
Thank you, Caitlin. I know so many advisors out there love our group's tools, so that is a nice way to easily collect information when you are managing all of those group trips. The learning is not finished this week, though. What is our workshop topic on this week?
This week, we're diving into templates. So if you are interested in learning more about how to set up your templates and how to use them to streamline your workflow, we highly recommend attending. You'll find the link to register down below in our description.
Speaking of templates, if you haven't already noticed, you can now put most of your templates into folders, which is a very exciting update. Go poke around in your templates tab. You will see that new functionality there. But that is it for Moments of Joy this week. We will see you next Wednesday.
Bye.